Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove pixel from Shopify. So using this Shopify Help Center, they basically made a guide on how to do this. So here are the steps. So from your Shopify admin, go to settings. Here is the link if you want to do here in the Help Center. But when you click this link, you will just go to admin.shopify.com/settings/apps. So it will take you directly there. And then from that one, click Facebook and Instagram. Now for the third step, click Open Sales Channel. And then for the fourth, click Settings. Fifth, in the Share Data Settings section, click Change to remove your current pixel. And that's it. You can create another pixel or create a new one. It is important to note that if you edited your theme file code to add a metapixel, you need to remove the pixel code before you can add a metapixel ID using Facebook and Instagram by Meta. And if you don't remove the pixel code, then your store will have more than one pixel on it.